This background you are seeing right here now is fake. This background is fake. Before you say anything, this is actually how my background look like, and this is it now. So I'm going to show you how to make this realistic background just using your phone, and you can change it to as many different background as you like. You can change it to different background. All right, so I'm going to show you how to do this on my phone right now. So without wasting much time, let's dive right into the video of today.
So what do we need? All right, you need a plain background at first, a tripod stand with a very bright lighting so that your video will be lit. All right, but if you don't have a tripod stand, or you don't have a ring light, or your video won't be bright, you can just face your sunlight. Sunlight is the best brightening light ever, and you can place your phone on any given wedge to make your video. All right, so after you have edited your video, the video which you want to change the background, you make a screenshot of the perfect place in the video. Just make a screenshot. Right, make sure you crop it so that the black space won't be showing. Okay, so after you have cropped it, then you head to this website, adobefirefly.com. This is the interface. This is how it looks. Then you come over to image, then you go to generative fill. Generative fill is right here. You can see it here. It's right here. You just go on and tap on it. All right, this is how it will come up. Then you go ahead and upload the image which you see you screenshot. All right, your video screenshot, just need to tap on it. All right, once you have tapped on the screenshot, then this is where the trick is. Then you remove this part here. Remove this part. Any part which you need to change, you remove it. You clean this other part here. Just be careful so that you won't clean your image. But if you mistakenly clean your image, you can just tap on subtract here and put the image back. All right, so you can just go ahead and clean. All right, so once you have cleaned, you enter your prompt. Don't worry, I will include the prompt in my description so that you guys can just copy for free, so that it will be easy for you guys. All right, so after you paste your prompt, then you click on go, then you click on search. All right, once you have clicked on search, then you wait for about 2 to 5 minutes. So AI is doing its work right now, so you need to wait for a little bit. All right, okay, here is our image. Okay, you can see, you can just go ahead and save multiple image, or if you don't like this one, you can just go ahead and tap on more. But you can, as for me, I just save multiple so that I can go ahead and choose from my gallery the one I love. All right, but if you don't like this, you can just go ahead and tap on more, and you get lots of image, maybe three more. All right, just tap on this button here, more, and it will continue searching for more. I know I don't have to do all this, but I just need to do this so that for you guys that are having issues with the site. So okay, here is another background. So you just go ahead and upload. But if you love one part of this background and you don't love the other, you can just go ahead and tap on this keep button right here. You can just go ahead and tap on this keep button. Okay, just hold on, let me just make an example for you guys. Okay, this is how you're going to be. Let me just make an example for you guys. You just go ahead and tap on this keep here, then you clean the part which you don't want. You can clean the part which you don't want. All right, after you have cleaned the part which you don't want, you can just go ahead and tap on the prompt and type what you want right there. The place which you clean, you just tap on the thing you want right there. You can tap on your plant or any other home appliances you want, and you search, only that place will be changed. This is the most coolest function of this website. Okay, let me just zoom this so that you can see. Can you see? I just changed the plants to another different plant. All right, so that's it. You can just go ahead and save the one if you like love. All right. So after you have saved your picture, you come over to your editing software. So guys, I'm so sorry for rotating it like this. I'm using my phone to edit this, so you know how hard it is using your phone to edit. So that's it. So after you have saved your picture, you come over to the one which you love. You just go ahead and select the one which you love and the one which is more brighter. You just go ahead and tap on it, and you upload it to your editing software. And mind you, before you do all this, please make sure you have edited your video. You have finished editing your video. Okay, then upload the video which you have edited, which is your edited video. You upload it. Okay, once you upload it, then you make it fit to screen. You zoom it, you extend the picture so that it can contain the full video. Then you extend the video to fit the picture screen. Okay, you don't need to extend it like this. Extend it to fit the screen. Be careful so that you won't make mistake. All right, so once it fits the screen, then you come to this masking, then you tap on mask. You tap on this square mask. All right, then you move to fit the screen. Okay, so this part will remove the overlay video part and bring out the background, which is the picture you put at first. Okay, all right, then you move this line to move the border line on it. Okay, so that's it. You are pretty much done. Okay, make sure you draw the line so that the border line will be clean. Right, make sure you draw it correctly. So that's it. Then you press on mark. So we are pretty much done. You can just go ahead and blur the background if you want to, but for me, I don't do that. So if you want to, you can blur it. So that is all for today. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you use a plain background for an effective result, and I'm going to drop a part 2 of this video for those of you that don't have a plain background. So that is all for today. Bye guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.